G'day champions, today I want to show you guys how to do this awesome colour mod to your Xbox. It works on just about any model of Xbox and I worked it out with a shopping bag of all things. Stay tuned and please hit that subscribe button if you enjoy my videos. This channel's growing pretty bloody big now. Anyways, we'll grab a screwdriver. I need the T8 Torx for the Xbox Series S that I'm working on. But as I said, you could do this on any model of Xbox. So we're just going to get this pulled apart pretty quickly really. I'm not going to focus the video on that, because it isn't about the disassembly, it's more about getting this mod done. I do want to say though, I have cheeky links down in the description for disassembly videos on just about any model of Xbox you're after. So check down there, or playlist up in the top right corner maybe, if I can get away with it. Anyway, we've got this one just about open. You can see we just got the screws to get out now. So here's where the Torx screwdriver is going to come in handy. You can use a flat blade too for these ones, if you get the right size, but just be really careful because it's easy to strip them with it. But aside from that, we've got this open, done. There's all my screws, didn't manage to lose any, so we're pretty good there. This one's pretty cool to get out. You just kind of open it, pull it, whatever it is, and it drops out. So that's nice and easy, but it did unveil a dusty mess. There's so much dust in my house, I'll tell you, it collects so easy, and I'm always getting trouble for it on my videos, so we might do a quick cleanup on this one.
A few moments later.
Alright, now that that's done, you can see we've got the nice and spanky looking Xbox again. There we go, we're good. Alright, down in here is your power button area. We want to just add the secret ingredient there. So grab our shopping bag. It's not really that secret at all. Snip, snip, get this one cut off. And you can probably already guess what's going to happen. It's literally this easy. Probably the most anticlimactic moment of your life, I reckon. But we'll grab some good old blue tack. This is really handy. You could probably use, I don't know, maybe even Play-Doh for this, or hot glue's probably better. But we want it temporary, so blue tack's really good for this. And then we're just going to squish it down over that little, whatever you call it, the power button, over the hole. Now, these are all different colours I collected up. They're just from lolly packets and noodle packets and plastic packets in general. So, yeah, get creative. Anyways, this is done and finished. Put it back together. And these are the end results. If you like that one, please hit the like button. I tried to make this tutorial pretty easy for anyone to do, and check out the other ones I got on screen now. Thanks for watching, champions.